Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTBase.com. Today I'm going to be skipping the review for this weekend because as you can see on CFTC's webpage, the report is delayed. As you can see, there's a federal holiday and it is delayed to the 26th of November. But still I'm doing a video because we have some great deals out for this Black Friday weekend. Top on all of our services, you may find that link that will take you to this page and you can find the exact offers that we have out, special offers for all-time accesses to these services, to COTBase, to futures trading guides, to FX trading guides, and of course you can combine these services and get even better deals for those. For COTBase, there's a special deal because you'll get immediate access to our new version for the site, which will be out soon, but it may take a little bit more time. So if you subscribe now, you can start using the new features that I'll be showing you right in a moment. Before I go into that, just a reminder, Futures Trading Guides, one of our new services this year, and focusing on the past performance of the service in the S&P 500. I wanted to show you how it performed in the last couple of days, weeks, as the S&P went down. You can see that the FTG scores very well hinted that there could be further declines coming in the S&P. So the service has performed well over there. And if we jump over here, you can see by probability levels how the system performed in the past 1 month. This is a 1 month time period. You can see currencies over here, and as you scroll further down, you can see the system's performance for each and every market and market category. What I'd like to highlight for you is that for the 90% probability FTG levels, the system performed very, very well. 87% of those FTG levels have been reached. So you can see for each and every market how the system has been performing. For instance, the US dollar index, there's 100% accuracy over there. But if we scroll down, even crude oil, which has been performing interestingly in the past couple of weeks, our system was telling you that there could be declining prices coming, and that's exactly what happened in crude oil, as you can see. Jumping to the COTBase new version, here's a sneak peek for all of you. I'm not going to be doing a very detailed video on it because, of course, once it's fully ready and available for all subscribers, I'll do a special video on that. But for anybody who's interested in subscribing to this special all-time access, I wanted to show you that the basics are the same. On the left here, you can choose which market category you want to analyze. Of course, here we have the basic, the main table. For those of you who've been subscribers to COTBase in the past, I'm sure you know how this looked over there. Nothing changed. Just improved actually. Here on the left, you can see you can choose which report types you're interested in. Of course, it's always the classic that we have as a default, but you can analyze the disaggregated, the TIF, and the CIT reports as well. And of course, you can add the options data to futures as well, so you'll get the futures and options data. We've been getting requests on adding other data sets, so it's not going to be only the net positions that you can analyze, but many other options are available from now on. Of course, you can look at other market categories. Basics have remained, so the COT change analysis is over there, except you can now start analyzing not only one report compared to a look back period, but you can actually choose a larger time frame, let's say 2-3 reports, and measuring that to a longer period of time. We still got the COT extreme analysis, the COT extremes, the COT index, and we've added the COT move index as well. The long-term trend is over there, and of course the charting of the system has improved very much. Now on, you can see values on the cursor over there. Here you have a volume and open interest analysis part showing you the total scores, but you can click on these buttons over there and add, let's say you're only interested in volume scores, or you're only interested in open interest scores, or you're just interested in the total scores. then of course you can look at that in its own. If you would only like to analyze, let's say, commercials positions, you can click on large speculators, taking that off. So many interesting new tools have been added to the service that I think will seriously increase the equipments that you can use for CO2 analysis. And of course you can look at other CO2 reports as well, going back in time and analyzing older reports. So this is just a sneak preview on what's coming. So it's a Black Friday deal out. Please go and check it out and subscribe if you feel that it is a good deal. And of course, if you subscribe to any of these, please send us an email. And of course, we're gonna see once any payment arrives, we'll notify you and set you up right away with a membership to these services. So thank you for watching. Have a great weekend and take care. Bye-bye.